In the lush and vibrant Pokémon world, there exists a unique creature known as Bellsprout. This grass/poison-type Pokémon's origins are deeply intertwined with the diverse ecosystems that make up this fantastical realm. Bellsprout's tale begins in the heart of nature, where it thrives in habitats such as dense forests, open meadows, tropical rainforests, and grassy plains. Bellsprout's elongated, tubular body and mimicry skills make it an efficient carnivorous plant Pokémon. As a predator, Bellsprout is a master of deception. Its flower-like lure, emitting a sweet aroma, draws unsuspecting insects and small Pokémon closer, promising nectar or sanctuary. With a burst of lightning speed, Bellsprout strikes, capturing its prey within the sharp-edged leaves that resemble menacing jaws. These leaves, while formidable tools for hunting, also serve as a defensive mechanism against potential threats. Bellsprout's role in the Pokémon world's natural ecosystem is one of cunning mimicry and stealthy predation, making it a vital link in the chain of existence. But Bellsprout's life is not without its perils. In its natural habitat, it faces its share of threats. Larger herbivorous Pokémon, particularly those like Oddish and Gloom, may see Bellsprout as a potential meal. To counteract these dangers, Bellsprout employs a dual defense strategy. Predatory Pokémon also lurk in the shadows of Bellsprout's habitat, posing a constant threat. To counteract this, Bellsprout relies on its mimicry and stealth. It hides among tall grasses and vegetation, using its tubular body to remain concealed until the opportune moment to strike arises. Bellsprout's journey extends to its remarkable evolution, which takes it through 3 distinct stages: Bellsprout, Weepinbell, and Victreebel. Each stage brings forth a transformation that serves a specific purpose in its life cycle and ecology. In its initial form as Bellsprout, this Pokémon is a mobile ambush predator. Its tubular body allows it to hide among tall grasses and vegetation, while its mimicry skills, including a flower-like lure emitting a sweet scent, attract unsuspecting prey. Bellsprout is patient and cunning, waiting for the perfect moment to strike, capturing insects and small creatures with its serrated leaves. Upon evolving into Weepinbell, Bellsprout undergoes a significant transformation. It becomes a passive, trap-based predator. Weepinbell's large, gaping mouth resembles that of a carnivorous pitcher plant. It secretes a sticky nectar that lures prey inside, where they become trapped and slowly digested. Weepinbell's stationary nature accentuates its role as a sit-and-wait predator. The final stage of this evolutionary line is Victreebel, where Bellsprout reaches the pinnacle of its predatory abilities. With a massive, menacing mouth, Victreebel becomes a top-tier carnivore. It can capture larger prey, including small mammals and Pokémon, using its sweet aroma to lure them in, and its massive jaws to swiftly ensnare them. Victreebel's increased size and strength allow it to occupy a higher niche in the food chain. Bellsprout's dining strategy is a masterpiece of deception and ambush. Its distinctive lure, resembling a flower bud, emits a sweet scent that entices potential prey. Insects, drawn by the tantalizing aroma, approach Bellsprout, believing they are approaching a nectar source or a safe haven. It is at this moment that Bellsprout strikes, capturing its prey within its sharp-edged leaves, which resemble menacing jaws. These leaves serve as both tools for capturing prey and as a form of defense against potential threats. Bellsprout's elongated, tubular body allows it to remain hidden among tall grasses and vegetation as it patiently awaits its next meal. Communication in the Pokémon world is a complex dance of body language, subtle behaviors, and unique vocalizations. Bellsprout, though not known for elaborate communication, has its own ways of expressing itself to other members of its species and different Pokémon. Bellsprout's primary mode of communication is through body language. Its elongated body and leafy appendages allow it to convey a range of emotions and intentions. When Bellsprout is at ease or content, it keeps its leaves unfurled and stands upright. In contrast, if it senses danger or feels threatened, it lowers its leaves defensively, indicating readiness to defend itself. Vocalizations for Bellsprout are relatively simple, consisting of soft rustling noises made by its leaves when it moves or adjusts its position. These subtle sounds may serve as a means of communication between Bellsprout individuals, conveying information about their presence or activities within their habitat. Chemical signals also play a role in Bellsprout's communication. As a poison-type Pokémon, it can produce pheromones or other chemical substances to communicate with other Bellsprout or to convey messages to potential prey or predators. These chemical signals may indicate readiness to hunt, territorial boundaries, or warnings about potential threats. In moments of assertiveness or dominance, Bellsprout can exhibit aggressive body language. It may extend its leaves in a threatening manner or use its sharp thorns to signal a warning to potential threats or competing Bellsprout. During the mating season, Bellsprout engages in specific courtship behaviors and displays to attract potential mates. These displays can include unique postures, leaf movements, or even the release of specific pheromones to signal their readiness to reproduce. In the grand tapestry of the Pokémon world, Bellsprout may not stand at the forefront of legends and stories like some of its legendary counterparts. However, it does possess a unique place in the hearts and minds of those who understand its biology and role as a carnivorous plant Pokémon. Bellsprout's significance extends beyond its biological adaptations. It plays a crucial role in the training of Pokémon trainers who appreciate its deceptive tactics and mimicry abilities. Trainers often seek out Bellsprout for lessons in strategic battling and the art of using mimicry to outsmart opponents. Additionally, researchers and conservationists have recognized the importance of Bellsprout in maintaining the delicate balance of its natural ecosystems. Efforts are underway to protect its habitats and ensure the survival of this unique species. Furthermore, Bellsprout's intriguing ecological relationship with other Pokémon, such as its mutualistic interactions with certain species, adds depth to its role in the Pokémon world. These interactions contribute to the intricate web of life that defines the rich tapestry of the Pokémon ecosystem. As Bellsprout continues to inspire trainers, scientists, and nature enthusiasts alike, its legacy endures as a symbol of adaptability, strategy, and the intricate complexities of life in the Pokémon world. Whether in the dense forests, open meadows, tropical rainforests, or grassy plains, Bellsprout remains a fascinating and essential component of this fantastical realm. Thank you for watching. Please comment below what your favorite Pokémon is.